Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
I know that we're taking on seawater. Over.
They just reached the vessel, so I imagine I should hear something within the next 5 minutes.
Roger, Captain.
Need an update for the Coast Guard as soon as you can.
I think we got it under control. It may have been a water tank leak. Yeah, it looks to be fresh water. I believe we popped a hose off a freshwater tank. Hey, get on 16 at 25 watts. Just hail the U.S. Coast Guard.
It was from Añejo, and she was calling a mayday. It was pretty scary.
I think what happened was he popped a line or something happened to his freshwater tank. And the freshwater tank dumped in the bilge, went back to the engine area. Maybe it wasn't going out fast enough, I don't know, but they saw their bilge full of water, so she responded like, you know, calling to the radio, you know, we're sinking, we're sinking. Well, we might as well pull the sail in because we're actually going through rapids now. And
oh my gosh, it's crazy.
Traffic, yeah. Looks like we have like 4 boats in here. Should be nice.
After a little day sail, we dropped the hook in a beautiful anchorage between Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. This place is fantastic. It was time to relax and explore. This spot is seriously scenic and there was so much to do. We enjoyed the day with cruising friends doing what you should do when sailing from place to place. Enjoying good people in the lovely Caribbean island. That you can dinghy right on up to, tie off, have some drinks. Right now we're headed to the city docks, so we'll lock the dinghy up and kind of explore the area. It looks really, really neat. It's pretty cool. Do you like them? Yeah? They're so cute.
Hey look, you should get an orgasm.
Yeah.
Flamingo Beach, supposed to be like one of the best beaches in the world. It's pretty nice. A lot of tourists here, but it's a gorgeous beach, that's for sure. The water is just beautiful color. A couple reefs out there. It would be nice to be able to anchor out there. That'd be really nice. Turtle! Oh yeah, look at that little guy.
He's so cute.
I'm just turtling around. You ready to do a dive?
Yes, I am ready. I believe it's like shallow, which I love.
Nighttime.
Yes.
Start fitting it, mama.
Okay. It's like so exciting that I get to dive in a bikini.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, I mean, it was very free feeling last time.
Oh yeah, much better.
Yeah, I like to wear the one piece because all my 2 pieces have those things that hang off.
Yeah.
Afraid they're gonna snag and I'm gonna come up bathing suitless. Mommy and Daddy are gonna go scuba dive. Ella's gonna come over and watch you and play with you while we're scuba diving.
Do you want to get our dive flag out?
Yeah, I'll get it. We are in Calabrite or something.
Mm-hmm.
We are gonna go for a nice little dive.
It should be really nice here. I'm looking forward to it. For sure.
The reef right off the back of our boat.
I know.
My favorite kind of diving.
I think it's gonna be pretty epic. The turtle all around the boat. I think it's gonna be really nice.
And we have some friends right next to us, a daughter old enough to babysit, which is really cool.
Yeah.
And Reese loves her. It's awesome.
Mom?
Yeah?
Why?
My knife?
Yeah, why?
It's to keep me safe under the water. If I get caught on something, I can cut it off.
Why?
It's not to hurt anything, it's to keep me safe.
Can I get that flashlight of this bee over here? Just killed it.
He is the bee killer on the boat. I run, he kills. Getting ready to go on a little scuba dive off the back of the boat. Put my hair in some cute little braids to keep it out of the way. I'm trying to figure out a hairstyle that works. I'm gonna dive this super awesome reef. We've already seen turtles swimming around. What'd you think of the dive?
I mean, it was okay. It was cool to get back under the water. You know, you can't ever complain about that, but we really didn't see too much there. A lot of boating going on. A lot of boaters are here. The ones that are here are not acting very good. So that was a little bit dangerous at times, but you know, we did a little, we saw a turtle, we saw some fish, and so you can't complain about being on the water. Where? Yeah, look, it's right
There's
there.
another one.
Nice job, Reese.
Good eye, son.
Yeah, so how about you? How did you like it?
I mean, I enjoy getting the water. That's always good for me to build confidence. It was a little nerve-wracking because of all the boats.
Yeah, the boats, yeah.
So it was kind of scary for me, and you know, a boat coming our way, and a lady had to yell. There were divers in the water, so there's a busy place to do this.
Yeah, well, it got busy, and then people just aren't really paying attention. You can tell. So you know, it was nice to scuba dive again.
It's a beautiful little spot.
Yeah, such a lovely spot.
It really is. So. And then I think it's huge for me to get off the boat, and I actually went across the lagoon or bay.
You did great.
So that's a big confidence builder for me, because I have a hard time leaving the boat.
Yeah, well, that was really good.
So I'm proud of myself.
You should be. This Anchorage is full of these powerboats here. I mean, it is engulfed. Exactly, people were like, what? It's crazy. How many boats are here, right?
I know, when we pulled in, there were only three sailboats. Hot! Oh, it's so hot! Oh my gosh, I just burnt my scalp.
You alright?
Oh, it's so touchy.
Aw. Tide pools are cool.
Yeah, the tide pools were awesome.
Yeah. That was really neat, man. The way the water would come in over the things.
Oh my gosh. I liked being on the very edge when the bubbles would come on over.
We took a little hike to the tide pools that are on the east side of the Anchorage, then spent the afternoon swimming and relaxing in the warm waters that flowed in from the Caribbean Sea.
Pretty sick over there.
So much better. Yeah, I mean, what a great day. We got to do some scuba diving, which was cool. I got to swim with a turtle and the cutest little fish. It was just following us around.
Yeah.
It's actually so beautiful here, and we didn't get to do everything. We're gonna stay another night.
Yeah.
And hopefully do some hiking. That'd be really cool.
Yeah. There's an old lighthouse at the top of this mountain over here. Right back there. And I might hike up there and check it out.
Got all the salt out of me. I'm gonna go take a nice shower after I rinse off. And then I think we're gonna do a little cookout on the beach.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Well, hopefully this goes good.
Come home with like a lobster.
Going spearfishing.
And that's great for reef species like mackerel and wahoo.
You didn't check yourself? Dude, every time I talk to her, I said, thought we'd find a prop bush or something.
With our 4-year-old.
It smells amazing in here. Take a little shower while it cooks. I'm waiting for my drinking partner.
I'm naked, otherwise I'd open the door.
We saw Delos today. Brittany talked to Brian and that was really neat. Are you ready to go get some pizza?
Yeah, why did you choke me?
I radioed the girls to see if they'd like to have a little bit of girl time. Get me off the boat! Ellen and mine first painkillers. Painkillers! Have you tried these?
No.
You can decorate the boat.
If
And
you
we'll
do
see
that,
what we come up with.
I'm letting you know right now, if you do that, it's going to be like a motocross race.
Should we call Mato? This is Mato. Oh,
They're spinning in circles.
I didn't swim there.
They're spinning in circles.
We're fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How is it?
It's good. It tastes good when you're working for it.
We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.